Best idea long, host hotels and resorts. So here's another way to play now there's two things in macro here that I want to spend more than a minute on. One, you have GDP accelerating, okay? Hashtag accelerating. We're at 3.31% for Friday's number. Alongside that late cycle, even if you want to call it late cycle, if you've been a bear calling it a late cycle for a long time, that's fine. If you're a bull on late cycle, that's fine too. But late cycle business growth, business cycle. So again, we got a great business cycle because we have a great profit cycle. So being long REVPAR is one real simple way to express that theme. That's why I picked this one, because Todd gave me this as his best, again, lodging REIT within the REIT, hotel REIT sector that he follows. Now, this stock's actually done awesome relative to REITs. So if you're just short REITs, VNQ, for example, the ETF for REITs, and long this, generated tremendous amount of alpha. I think actually the second part is more interesting here. For a stock to have gone to new highs here in the most recent 3 months, despite bond yields going up and despite the sector underperforming, I think that's a great tell on what's to come here. So again, we're well above I should say well above, but above finally what has been a conservative management team. Don't forget that they've changed with the management team here, can start to guide up. So again, that's important. And if we get any reflation rollover, and that, by the way, is our macro call, and bond yields stop going up, then the bond proxies, all of them, even the bad ones, start to do well. So that's why this one's definitely got my attention. Again, this one is a low, I think a low risk way to play everything that I just said. Lots of levers for new management to pull. Don't forget, if you look at the third bullet there, don't forget that the new CEO is delivered, operationally, but what we want him to do is get on it. Get on it, man. Start selling some stuff. Start buying more stock back, okay? Maybe he already did. We have to wait for them to report the quarter. By the numbers, you can see on slide 28. Modeling assumptions for Jordan, just recently raising the estimates on 2018, et cetera, a lot of what I already said. Final slide on slide 29 reminds you that this one has, you see on the right side of the box there, high yielding stocks isn't a good thing, but it's been a good stock relative to high yielding stocks. So if yields come down, then I like that because it's got all the other things that I like, notwithstanding consumer discretionary, growth accelerating, and some beta. Imagine that, some beta on host hotels.